In this live lab, you'll be exploring immersive learning. You'll learn what it is, the learning theories behind it, and how to plan and produce your own immersive learning content. All the sessions will be interactive, and you'll get hands-on experience with tools that are used by professionals for creating immersive learning experiences. After completing this lab, you'll be able to explain clearly what immersive learning is to anyone and why it can be so effective. You'll also be able to plan an immersive learning experience, and you'll be able to select technologies and methodologies to produce it. I'd say the biggest myth about immersive learning is that it's very expensive to produce. And while this used to be the case, in recent years, the sheer range of options and tools available to create experiences has really opened up. And I think you'll be surprised by how much you can achieve without needing to spend a huge amount of money. The way people want to learn and train has changed a lot in recent times. Many people want to learn by doing rather than through traditional learning and training methods. Knowing how to produce immersive learning experiences can help you keep your learning programs fresh, relevant, and engaging. Just download the brochure to find out more.